Hello, hello, hello. So normally I do all these videos myself, but this is a drone video of this land that we're showing. And of course with the drone video, we can't get sound. So I'm going to just tell you a little bit about it. This is land that I know very well. It's not far from where I live, and it's where I walked my dogs over the years many, many times. Because the cows here are very friendly. Where there's another place I walk the dogs, and they're the black and white bulls and cows, and they're absolutely a nightmare. Because they chase after you. They're a little bit vicious, and we don't like those so much. And there was one, and he had one horn up and one horn down, and we called him Twisty Horn. And Twisty Horn was a little bit vicious cuss, and he would really chase after you. You know, he was not a friendly character indeed. And I did actually tell the farmer the one day about him. I said, this thing here, I said, you're going to have a little word with him, because he's chasing me and he chased the dogs. And unfortunately, I don't know what's happened, but we haven't seen Twisty Horn for quite many years now, so I think the farm must have got him. Anyway, so this land's for sale. It's beautiful, beautiful land. It's got ocean view. It's about 15 minutes, 20 minutes from Las Terrenas town centre. It's about a 5-minute drive to the closest beach, which is a beautiful beach, white sand, beautiful bay, player income. And it's priced to sell. It's only $25 a square metre, and we could negotiate a better price than that. It's actually got a house on the land as well, which borders the road. The house has got its own 900 square metre, fully walled and enclosed title plot, which is separate. But they won't sell the house separately. They're selling the house with the land, and the land is about 110,000 square metres. They've got several hills and valleys. It's been used for the cattle. The soil is very fertile, and it's got unpaved roads within the land, and it's got water and electric to the main road. So this will be ideal for some sort of villa, apartment, eco-development. It's lovely land. So take a look at these videos and get in touch with me.